Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, that's why it's so much dusty on the film and I just can't. I haven't taken out this dust or dust dot, whatever. Okay, I have this base image. This is my subject today, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. And today I'm going to try to make some kind of illustration. I don't know what's going to happen. And well, I'm going to use smudge tool to smudge this image to make it something like drawing, painting type image from these two. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna, first of all, duplicate this layer and base image, just turn it off to keep it, and I'm gonna smudge on this image first. Okay, smudge tool using Evolve as always. I love this smudge tool. And let's go from edge. Well, I'm gonna make white border outlines, so I'm gonna make canvas size to resize, make it a little bigger on both sides, so we have white border outside. Then also I'm going to smudge this outside too, like so. But I don't know if I'm going to use this edge though. Well, nice hairstyle. I'm going to make mask on base image, so I'm going to use this nice hairlines and stuff later. I don't know if I'm going to use this smudged image or base image. We have a nice key light. I'm gonna add some amber color on this key light. Okay, I'm done for model, and get outside background and also go to this border edge outside of the image, so you can get this kind of dust also. Alright, now we got this image all smudged. Alright, okay, what's next? Let's see, check the blend mode changed. This pencil drawing type. Okay, change blend mode. All of a sudden it's changed the color, more red in it. So take out this greenish cast. Linear burn, that's cool. Color burn, this is nice too. Luminosity, yeah. Color wise, this color burn, linear burn, add some red to get more natural look, huh? And now it's opacity 50%. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I like this. Color burn. It's a linear burn now. Color burn. I still like color burn. Okay. First I'm gonna clean up some, let's see about this dust on this pencil drawing type image. Let's see if I smudge on this block dot with same Evolve, smudge to take these grains dust out. Not everything, something it's big ones. Little ones don't care much. Yeah, about this. That's okay now. Well, I'm gonna just touch up on this. Yeah, this is nice. Well, okay. Now I'm gonna add layer for color. I'm gonna change this blend mode to color. Then I'm gonna add some color on, use the brush, airbrushing group to soft blend to add some amber color, like orangeish, like key light here. Not much. This on and off, you see that blue color goes to amber. I guess that's nice. Okay. And I'm gonna add color layer here. Again, using the soft blend. Same orange. Yeah. As a key light, I'm going to change brush to evolve to get some more. Okay, this is color layer, but I'm going to, let's change the brush. Change to overlay. Let's see. How was it here? Here is blend mode color is better on here, so I'm going to add one more layer for just change blend mode to overlay. Then I'm gonna, okay, this is overlay, right? Oh, and this layer is color, so I'm gonna erase this color, this backlight. I'm gonna erase on color layer, just leave the hair color. This is nice on here, but okay, now I erase these colors here. Now this overlay layer, I'm going to use the smudge brush to add this key light on this overlay. Now I'm going to smudge some, then change the brush to airbrushing group, medium blend. Then I'm gonna add some well, if I change blend mode, screen go lighter of course, but change to overlay from overlay, well, change overlay to soft light, hard light, shows up more, but I like overlay on this side, right shoulder, but left side is sort of more soft light, or change opacity. Well, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna just touch up eraser tool to left shoulder side. I'm gonna erase here. Now only right shoulder side. Head overlay, max, like here. But I'm gonna add some using that drawing to evolve. Same, just key light, highlight. Just touch on this layer. I'm gonna smudge same way. This is overlay light. Then this one is color on hair. Okay, well, I might add some brush evolve to add key light on here too. Yeah, I think I like this. Not much to touch. Well, sometimes you don't need to touch anymore. I'm gonna keep this way, just one. Now I have this image, and also I'm gonna change. Well, base image is just right here. That's it. Then I may, let's see if I can change color burn max. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer just for keep, turn it off. Then we got the image here, base image, and the color layer. This is for hair, turning red, orange. Then this is key light, backlight. This is main image. This one is color, key light. Then color burn 100. Is this? Yeah. These groups, mix group, and these are all 100 opacity. So I'm gonna flatten this image, fixed. Now this one is, I kept already. Then I'm gonna change this. This is overlay 50. Soft light. I kinda like soft light. This is original, right? This one is, yeah, overlay 50 on smudged image. This is soft light. This is nice color. Okay, just leave it this way. Change blend mode here, 40%. Well, if I keep this, then not much difference from the first one. So I'm gonna make and layer and pick white. Then I'm gonna fill layer with white. Now use your eraser tool. Then reveal this mask with, let's see. Well, this kind of interesting. Real rough, because this brush texture is pretty rough, so her skin is looks smoother, isn't it? That's interesting, huh? Okay, this is a variation of one of them, and I'm gonna make another one. Turn this one off, add layer, then again fill layer, then erase different brush. Now let's see this red brush. Well, I guess that's it for today, and this was kind of fun to make this border just once. This is one. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and try something different so you can find something new. Well, have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and bye now. Ciao.